Hello everyone. So today I would do the Douyin Makeup. I'm so sorry I'm unable to pronounce it. And here I am just wrapping my hair because मेरे hair wet थे तो मैंने सोचा पहले wrap कर लेती हूँ, otherwise मेरा makeup का product hair में भी चले जाएंगे. तो I protected my hair first and now I am applying hyphen sunscreen which protects 8 hours and using the same lip sunscreen of hyphen. So here I would do the same method using the primer as I have moisturized my skin with this sunscreen. I love this hyphen sunscreen because it comes with the moisturizer, which means no jhanjat of applying moisturizer and top of that sunscreen. So it comes in 2-in-1. And I would do the same method which I usually use, prime my face and now use the concealer to hide my dark spots and the black spot on the skin, which I have a lot actually. So I would try to hide these using the concealer. I'm using Pop Sugar concealer, which always I use while doing makeup. And if you have not seen my Japanese Korean makeup, so please go and visit my channel. You would definitely get that, and step by step I have done. If you are a beginner, so I would recommend to watch all those videos which I made step by step as a beginner if you want to learn Asian makeup. Actually, I have not done too much makeup because here I have to do the light makeup, so I am blending hair a lot, you can see, right? And guys, you know what, we no need to buy the heavy cost out of budget product if you are a beginner. If you would use as a foundation, you want to replace it, you can replace as a BB cream. And if you want to buy really a foundation, so you may buy and go for Olivia waterproof foundation stick, and really you would love that because that sticks. This is the first foundation when I started learning the Japanese and Asian makeup, you can say that really I love that. So I didn't use here because I had to go out and not wanted to heavy makeup. I want some like not shiny because it is summer time. I don't want sweating on my face. That's why I would use setting powder a lot. And now here I am making my yoga shawl, and after that I would paste highlighter under that, right? So you must have seen. If you have not seen, please go that my videos. And if you wanna have any queries related to makeup or any celebrity makeup you want me to do, please let me know on comment section. And now I would spray the setting spray and complete my makeup. Now transition. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel, and till then, bye bye.